Good morning everybody, and this is your Forex day trade setups for today. So starting off with Euro USD, and you can see we're still stuck between these two levels. We didn't really get above the midpoint of this range, which was 121.293, sold off and have gone a bit sideways. So the logical choice here would be to buy again and move to the top of the range. For me personally, I'm still kind of sit on hands. This didn't really play out like I was expecting to yesterday. So let's get to the right time frame. So basically we had a bit of consolidation here, and I was expecting a move to the top of the range. That didn't materialize. With this massive sell-off and then a bit of follow-through. So I think until we clear one of these two levels, I'm really not interested in this at the moment. So to the top it's 121.751, and to the bottom is 120.675. Looking at everything at the moment, oscillators starting to group up, moving averages pointing down. You should be looking for opportunities to sell into this, anticipating a break. I want that off structure, and I don't see enough structure at the moment. If we sort of move our support structure here, let's say that's the closest one we've got. I'll give it to you now on the 1 hour. So that would be in the region of 121.091. Personally, I think we are sideways at the moment, and nothing really to write home about it until we break below 126.75. So if we do pull back into this spot of 121.091, that may be an opportunity, but bear in mind we did break a trend line, so you have another opportunity potentially all the way somewhere up here at 121.214. There's just too many 50-50 trades there, so I'm leaving that one alone. So this one, we had the measured move. You can see that was the original move up, consolidate, and then looking at the next measured move. So we're floating with that at the moment. I don't think there's anything more left in that right now. May be wrong, so we may be nice little move here, a bit of consolidation. Let me just get there's your bit of consolidation, so another break up for another measured move. Now that measured move to the upside, I'm just very weary with the dollar at the moment. We're going to have something come out with stimulus or something shortly, and that's going to put the currency, well, put the dollar basically into a tailspin. So that is the one option here. The break of the structure, let's just get this to the middle. So you can see there's our structure. I'm going to come down to 50-minute because you'll probably see it better on 50-minute. Yeah, there's my structure. There we go. We've broken, we've retested, moving to the upside. So logical choice at the moment is we're looking for a move to 105.250. Dollar pair, this US dollar Japanese yen, I think I would rather sit on the sidelines for now, just to wait and see what transpires. But the trend is up, so the trend is very clearly to the upside. I'm just a little bit weary with the dollar pairs right now. So yesterday we had this flat top triangle here, which didn't materialize, moved back the upside, but it could also just be a range forming. Looking at oscillators, maybe we do have a move to the upside. But anyway, see how it plays out at European Open. If we're still hovering above this flag break at the Open, probably an opportunity for a long with a stop below the low of this morning so far. And first target you're looking for is 105.074. Second target you're looking for is 105.250. British pound, Japanese yen, we are still flirting with this this zone, and that zone is between 143.420 and 144.307. Looking at my oscillators at the moment, we are a little bit overbought. Trend is up, we should be looking to buy, but I want to be buying on a retest of a breakout, and that's 142.264 at the moment. So you can see what we do have forming here is a potential head and shoulders. So there's a shoulder, there's a head here, another shoulder. Would have to break below this area here, and I just fine tune it. So it's 143.390 for a move to the downside. That move to the downside would be something like that. I'm just going to move this level here. So that's the kind of the area, granted the measured move is a bit further down. The measured move is onto that structure, but I would look at this as my opportunity to take profit. So that's 142.818 or alternatively 142.655. That's kind of the view that we've got there. I think you're probably going to see a bit of a rollover here. Yesterday we had a big move up, big move down, and then the Asian session we moved up. I think it's going to be short-lived. I think this is the area we're looking for. So if I just move that up there, that's my level, 143.674. I don't see anything else except that Brooks gap up there. So that's another level to watch, 143.759. What you're looking for here is you're looking for bearish price action like what's forming now, and then you're looking for a break of that bearish price action, and your stop could be above the structure or above the previous high. Depends on your position size, but that's kind of the area. Aussie dollar, US dollar, another dollar pair. We're still in this range. And remember, guys, this a break of the range to the downside has a 25% chance of continuing. There is some support to the left, and that's why I'm a little bit skeptical with the dollar pairs, because we're not getting a uniform view across all three pairs. So we're getting bearish, bullish, and this to me is kind of 50-50 at the moment. But it doesn't, it could be a double bottom forming, ready for a move to the upside, which is what I was anticipating, which hasn't materialized. So that there to me is range bound, so I'm staying far away from that until we get some structure. So today I'm not even bothering with that at all. Euro British pound trend is still down. We are forming a little bit of a consolidation here. Does look like we are looking for a break to the downside. So what we should be looking for is structure. So you can see we had a gap down, fairly strong move down, then a move back up in the same day, which often happens. And this is a good example of why you want to have your take profit areas and don't try and hold it. The big organizations will be holding because they'll have bigger targets and they're looking for those bigger targets. But for me, I mean, you want to be taking profit, wait for pullback, take profit, wait for pullback, take profit. You're going to make a lot more money that way. At the moment, we're back in this consolidation area here. If you look to the left, there it is there, there it is there. Trend is down. You should definitely be looking for opportunities to sell into this. And I think, from my perspective anyway, we'll see how Europe opens, but I would almost look at a break above 0.88317 is going to give me more upside than just look to the left what that upside is going to be. In other words, get the swing highs, keep moving until you see where price is coming to. That there is a fairly decent level there, so that's 0.88366. Move up there and then we start moving down. That is also part of this trend line as well. So back onto this trend line right there, 0.88361 will have me short, stop above the previous swing high of yesterday, and I would be looking pretty much for a measured move, I would say. Something like that. So that's going to line up. So target's going to be not that big, it's going to be 0.88121. But I would hold on to that because we do have a, so you see we're making lower lows. So maybe see how things go, just move stop to entry and see if we get a break below this previous low of 0.88048. Just want to stop back across to the 8 hour. Just want to see, okay, we've got quite a bit of structure to the left. So yeah, don't try and anticipate a break through this chaos here. first target is going to be fairly close. If you do break through that, then your next target is going to be 087738. Okay, last pair is British pound, New Zealand dollar. I'm still watching this one. Didn't really have anything happen yesterday, as you can see. Lots of tails, big up, big down, big up, big down. Nothing really going there. Big confusion. See, there it is there. So yeah, we'll wait for that to break, I think, is the only thing I can suggest here. We are sideways. I think that's the first point. We are sideways. We have had a trend line break and retest, but then we've got just bob wire, tails to the upside, tails to the downside. So bob wire patterns don't fool me with much confidence. So we'll wait for this to break out of the bob wire, and then we'll start looking at it. Personally, yeah, I'm looking at this long trend that was down, consolidation. It's going to take some effort to get through here, but if it does get through 191687, we are definitely looking for a move back up to this area here of 196917. So that's kind of wait and see. There's not much on the cards today. I think the only one really out of the six that we're watching is Euro British Pound. I think that's the only one that offers some kind of trade. But anyway, I think the indexes definitely are offering up some support, or some opportunities rather, should I say. So we'll move on to that now and see what's happening there. Anyway, hope it helps, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and we will catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.